replace audio unavailable on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the updated version of the application on your device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap and open and it will lead me to the homepage of the Instagram application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you can see your posts over here. Now go on to any reels, or you can just go to your reels section and tap on any reels. So here you can see the music. Right now it is available now, but in case of audio unavailable, what you can just do is tap on at the bottom right corner of the screen and you can see the option of manage. Tap on manage, then tap on edit. So as you can see, there's no option of replacing the audio over here. So if there's such situation like audio unavailable, you won't be able to do anything as of now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.